Welcome to Swiftask. Today, we're going to build your very first AI agent for competitive intelligence. For that, you'll need a Swiftask account, some credits, or a subscription, a clear idea of your agent's role, name, and mission, and any documents or data you want to integrate. Ready? Let's first start on creating your competitive intelligence agent. First, go to the Agents section. Click on Create an Agent to get started. Next, give your agent a name. Let's say you choose Willie. This will help you identify your agent later. You can choose a blank template to start fresh or select one that fits your needs. But today, let's start with a blank template to create your customized agent from scratch. Now, upload your agent's logo to integrate its visual identity and add a description of its functions. Then, set the main instructions for your agent. These will guide its behavior and responses. Define its role, tasks, and the rules it should follow. You can also use the built-in agent in Swiftask called Rita Prompt Creation Assistant, which will assist you in crafting the perfect brain for your agents. You can enhance your agent capabilities by adding complementary skills. This allows it to interact with various tools. And right here, you'll upload your data. It is crucial to think of your agent as your virtual employee or digital colleague. It needs to understand and reference specific information, so feel free to upload PDFs, Word documents, or any other relevant files. Now, let's automate tasks. Go to the Automation section to set this up. Here, you can define specific triggers and actions for your agent, allowing it to perform repetitive tasks without manual intervention. Automating your workflow is essential when you have routine tasks that consume time, as it ensures your agent works continuously and efficiently. To learn more about automation and best practices, feel free to check out our latest resources on Swiftask Academy. And that's it. You've created your first agent. You can access Willie on mobile, desktop, and integrate it right into your website. Explore Swiftask to discover all the amazing possibilities it offers.